Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make these very cute and beautiful fridge magnets. These are made using pop sticks or ice cream sticks. I have added magnet on backside and I have done some quilling decorations by adding teddy and flowers. So let's get started. For this we need some 2 mm and 3 mm quilling strips, liquid glue, quilling tool, any strong magnet, some pop sticks or ice cream sticks, scissor, 4-number round brush, magenta, orange and white acrylic colors. First I am taking 6 pop sticks and arranged like this, and I will connect the 7th pop stick horizontally on top of this. So first arrange all in one line, then add glue on the bottom part and then connect like this. Let it completely dry. So it's dry now. Now I am taking 2 more pop sticks and I will connect like this to assemble the heart shape. So first I am marking both sides on 5 cm so that we can connect above these markings. So first hold like this and mark on both the sticks so that we can cut extra stick. So cut these pencil lines. Like this. Now before adding these roof, I will mark on base sticks also and cut these extra base sticks. Now we can connect the roof with the base. So just add glue and connect the roof. Hold it for some time and let it completely dry. So it's completely dry now. Now I will color whole house with white acrylic color. And then I will start doing some shading using orange color from bottom to up. So it's done. Now I will color the bottom part of the house using orange, and then I will color the roof and the base line using brown acrylic color. If you don't have acrylic colors, you can also use poster colors. Now to make teddy bear, here I am taking white color 3 mm strip and I am adding total 6 strips to make a big tight coil. So continue this process till the 6th strip. Secure the end. So the tight coil is ready. In the same way, I have created one more tight coil for the base body of the teddy bear. Now I will show you how to make ear. For this I am taking half strip of dark grey and half strip of white color. Just make little loose coil and make a semicircle like this. So ear is ready. Now here I am taking light grey color strip and cutting this from the center to make it thin. if you don't find 2 mm strip, you can cut the larger strips in this way, so you will get a thin strip. So here I am joining this light gray to make a mouth of the teddy. Just make little dome and add glue. Now I am making hands of the teddy bear. For this I am taking one strip of white color. First make a loose coil and then make bended teardrop shape like this. I have also created tiny eyes using black color 2 mm strip. This is 1/4 strip, and also the nose using half strip of black 2 mm strip. So I will assemble the teddy on the house. Also I have added little pink cheeks which are made using hole punch. So cute teddy is ready. Now to decorate this house I am making some quilt flowers. Before that I am making leg of the teddy. For this I am taking one strip of white and making one loose coil and connecting the leg like this. Now I will show you how to make flower. For this I am taking one strip of yellow color, making one tight teardrop shape and make little dome using your finger. Add glue inside this. In the same way I have created 2 more petals. So connect all 3 petals to construct the flower. In the same way I have created flowers using different shades of yellows. So I will connect the flowers on top and the bottom corners. Like this. Let it completely dry. Now I am making some leaves. For this I am taking half strip of green color. Here also I am using 2 mm strip and making a leaf shape. In the same way I have created some more leaves. So I am connecting leaves here and there. Like this. Now I am adding little bow to the teddy. For this I have created small 2 triangles using pink color strips. And also I am adding tiny dots in the background using magenta acrylic color. This is just to decorate the house little more. So this is done. Now I am adding strong magnet on back sides. For this I am using strong adhesive. Here I am using silicone glue. you can use any strong glue. So connect the magnet and let it completely dry for 3 to 4 hours. In the same way, I have created one more magnet using green background, and I have created yellow teddy bear and pink flowers and added some different kind of leaves. So added magnet on the back side also. So don't forget to tell which color combination you like most in the comment section. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.